Now Sir Anthony catch one. Still don't know what is this fish. Huh? Taking video, sir. Very good. Again Shimano sustain 5,000 and Assassin Amiya with 30 pound 30-pound Sofix 832 break. And 45 grams stick bait, right sir?
Yes, shivering stick bite 45.
Very nice weather. Very strong. You hear the reel. Oh, coming. Very big this one. Shark. Big shark. Oh, very big. Tuna. Spanish mackerel around. Very nice. Oh, sir, very big this one. Brother, go quick.
On the mouth. Yeah. Quick. Everybody.
Very big. 1 minute. Oh, very big. 20 kilo. 18 kilo, maybe. Yes, sir, remove me. Very good, sir. Take the hold. Your very big kingfish.
Down.
Inside coming, boss.
Yes, totally. Yeah. I have to. Just keep tight. Just keep tight.
Panige in Philippines. Tear up.